So hi all, welcome to our YouTube channel. We also have a website with the same name, datamahadev.com, where you can uh, basically explore articles related to AI, ML, deep learning, machine learning, NLP, computer vision, Python, etc. So coming back to our tutorials, numpy tutorials. So in the previous tutorials, we have discussed almost everything that is currently used in the industry practice related to numpy. So this is what it is. So when you become data scientist, so these very functions you will be using on a regular basis when you become a data scientist in the industry, and these type of questions are also relevant in the interview as well. All right, so this is what it is. So in the previous video we saw how to basically access rows in an array. We also saw how to basically extract only one single element out of an array. Let's say we want to extract uh, 1 over here. All right, so this is what v703. Let me just run this entire cell. All right, coming back to the point. All right, so v70. So v70 is what? V70 is your zeroth row, and 3 is what? 3 is your third element, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can, if you want to know it further, you can just see our previous video in the I part here, the I link tab over that is coming on the top right corner of the screen of your screen. All right. In this particular video, we'll see how to access columns in a numpy array. In this video, we'll see how to access columns in a numpy array. So this is our last video in the numpy series. All right, after that we will be starting what? After that we will be starting with pandas. All right, so v7, we take v7 and we do what? We basically write colon over here. Remember, if we write colon and print, press shift plus enter and print, it will do what? It will print the entire array as it is. As you can see, v7 is this. It has done what? It has printed the entire array as it is. All right, if we write 0 over here and if we write 0 over here, it will do what? It will print the empty array. Why? Because it is just like the slicing and dicing in list. All right, if you want to refer slicing and dicing, you can check our slicing and dicing. The It is appearing in the top right corner of your, just click on that link. In the top right corner of your screen, just click on that link and it will appear. All right, so this is what it is. So we were talking about accessing a column. So we'll do what? We'll just leave it empty, right? Comma over here. Let's say we want to access this column 2 2 4 6 6. We'll write what? We'll write 0 over here, and as you can see, 2 2 4 6 6. The first column, which is our zeroth column, has appeared. All right. Similarly, if we want to access the first column, 3 2 10 5 1, this one column, then colon comma 1, this will appear. So this is how we access columns in an array. All right. So this is what it is. Let's say I want to skip the first two values of this column, 10 and 5 values of this column. So what I'll do is over here, I'll write 2 over here and press shift plus enter. As you can see, 10 5 have been vanished. All right, if I write 3 over here, so 1 will be vanished and only 8 2 will be print. If I write 4 over here, so only 2 will be print. So this is what it is. All right, now how it works? It basically works as 0 1 0 1, but include what? Include 2. This is the second position, include this, and skip what? Skip 0 and 1 because it is not mentioned over. If I write 1 over here, so it will do what? It will include 5. If I write 0 over here, it will print the entire column 10. So this is how it goes. All right, if I write 2 over here, again the same output. So this is how we basically print columns. This is how we skip two values of a column. That's all we have in the NumPy series. Be prepared for our next series, very important, which it is very important, which is very important. So that is your pandas. We'll see how to print series, how to convert list into a series. So all of that we'll see, and how to create data frames, etc., etc. Thanks a lot, everyone. Keep sharing, keep liking, keep viewing, and keep subscribing. Thanks a lot, everyone.